Welcome back to Conversation to Close, the channel where we break down real estate strategies to help you close more deals and make more money. I'm Sean, and today we're talking about how to determine whether a property works better as a short-term rental or a long-term rental using Deal Sniper. If you've ever looked at a deal and thought, should I hold this as a long-term rental or list it as an Airbnb? Srenya, this video is for you. Understanding the difference between these two rental strategies is critical because a property that doesn't cash flow as a long-term rental might still be highly profitable as a short-term rental and vice versa. Here's where Deal Sniper comes in. It helps you compare both rental strategies side by side so you can see which one offers the best cash flow. But before making a decision, here's what you need to do. First, analyze your long-term rental numbers. Start with rent estimates from MLS comps, Zillow, Rentometer, or local property managers. Plug those numbers into Deal Sniper and check the cash-on-cash return. If the property doesn't cash flow as a long-term rental, don't panic. It might still work as a short-term rental. Next, evaluate the short-term rental potential. Use AirDNA or Price Labs to check Airbnb rental income for that market. These tools will show you the average daily rate, occupancy rate, and seasonal trends. If the annual short-term rental income is significantly higher than the long-term rent, it might be worth pursuing. Here's an example. Let's say a property would rent for $2,800 per month as a long-term rental, but AirDNA shows it could generate $5,000 per month as a short-term rental. That's a huge difference. But before you get excited, you need to account for higher expenses like cleaning fees, management costs, and vacancy. This is where Deal Sniper helps. Plug in the short-term rental numbers and adjust for higher expenses. Typically, you'll factor in 25 to 35% for operating costs. If the cash flow still looks strong after expenses, the property might be a great short-term rental opportunity. One final tip: always have a backup plan. If a deal only works as a short-term rental, you're taking on more risk because local regulations or demand can change. Ideally, you want a property that works as a short-term rental, but still cash flows as a long-term rental if needed. All right, guys, that's your guide to analyzing short-term versus long-term rentals using Deal Sniper. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real estate investing insights, and drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway from today's video. And if you want to see Deal Sniper in action, check out our next video where I break down a real deal analysis using the tool. Until next time, keep closing deals and making moves. See you in the next one.